In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to clear your browsing history in the Google Chrome browser. This process is quick, simple, and can be done in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser on your desktop. Look toward the top right corner of the window and locate the 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu icon. Click on these dots to open the main settings menu. From the list of options, hover your mouse over History and then click on History again in the submenu that appears. Once the History page is open, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen and click on the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. A new settings window will pop up in the center of your screen. Next, you need to select a time range. Click the drop-down menu next to Time Range to choose how much of your history you want to delete. You can select the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time to delete every site you have ever visited on this browser. Ensure the checkbox next to Browsing History is selected. If you only want to delete your history and keep your saved passwords or login sessions, make sure to uncheck the other boxes. Finally, click the Clear Data button at the bottom right of the window. Chrome will process the request, and your history will be permanently removed from the browser. You can now close the Settings tab and continue browsing with a clean slate. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech guides. If you have a specific topic you would like me to cover in a future video, please leave a comment down below.